Hi everyone. Today I'm excited to introduce algochit, India's first fully on-chain and bit fund platform on Algorand. Algochit brings transparency, speed, and automation to one of India's most and widely used community finance systems. Okay, moving on to the next slide. Chit funds are powerful savings and borrowings tool, but they suffer from serious problems. There are frauds by managers, fake groups, manipulated ledgers, and delayed payouts. So yeah, everything is recorded manually, which means there is no real verification for members and almost zero clarity for regulators. This creates a system where millions participate, but a few actually trust it. Okay, so algochit fixes this using blockchain, which take the entire bid cheat process and move it on chain. I will show you in the video demo how it happens. Like every contribution, every bid is recorded on blockchain Algorand, and the rules are enforced by smart contracts, so calculations can't be altered. And yeah, it's a working solution for world use in India. So how where all this can be used, not only for the chit fund, but also it can directly benefit self-help groups, rural communities like roksas, and also small businesses and anyone relying on rotating credit is what I said. Yeah. Maybe be it 1,000 to 5,000 rupees also, it can be because of Algorand's low fees, it also enables microchits. And moving ahead. Okay, so now how we'll do the scalability. Okay, so this is not a chit fund app. It is, as I said, it is a rotating credit engine. So it supports small groups of 10 members and also large communities of thousands. Work is going on to make it parallel for thousands of transactions. Now I'm implemented for one chit fund, and aligning with the government vision. He is our most major use case and advantage, you can say. After 9th November, the government of India has fully officially announced that on-chain student document verification will be done. So this is a clear sign that India is moving towards blockchain-based transparency. And when documents are coming on-chain, financial systems, especially ones with high fraud rates like chit funds, are very likely to move on-chain soon. So algochit is already ready with that future. We are building infrastructure before the regulation demands. Why Algorand? Because it has the 4-second finality, low fees, and also high throughput. And moving ahead, we have a web app, a smart contract layer, and an on-chain escrow and a backend server. And moving ahead, our vision, algochit aims to become India's one of the most transparent and trustworthy chit fund ecosystem. We want to give millions of people access to trusted and safe automatic rotating credit. Yeah, and as India grows and continues to build its digital public infrastructure, algochit is positioned to become one of the most standard for transparent community finance.
Let's move to the demo of this.
So now, the chit fund is a very crazy concept in India. Basically, what is the thing is there are for total members are there, and then number of total members are equal to the number of months. So total members for 10 months they are logged in, and each month they deposit some money, and each month someone bids to get that money in a lower rate, and the person with the highest discount gets that complete money pot. So this is the manager portal. Now let's start by adding some members into this platform. So firstly we add a member here, and once it gets confirmed, so we are adding another member. Okay, so we are adding this member to this platform, and once these members get added, what they will do is they will make monthly contribution and bid for the highest the highest discount percentage which they can owe. First the manager will update the members, and once it gets updated, now they will members will contribute money every month. And we have used the use wallet thing here, and once we connect the wallet, we can chit fund is not active. So once the manager starts the chit fund, now they will be able to contribute. So let's say we are contributing, we are signing the transaction, and the members get the transaction signed, and now they will submit the discount bid percent. So bid, how much high the bid is, the higher the chance of winning the bid. Let's say we are submitting this bid by 5% itself. So once it gets submitted, and once we sign it, so once the transaction is successful, we can do it with the second account as soon as the same process. Okay, and now we are submitting the bid for the second person with 10% discount. So technically the second person should win, and the complete price pot should go to him. So the second person bid it successfully, and as you can see here, the manager can see everything. We can add the authentication for manager also, but it's okay. So like okay, so I'm explaining you the distribution preview. The total bot was collected as 0.2, and the discount percent was 10%, which was the highest. So except the discount money, every money will go to the winner, and then the manager gets the commission of 20%, which I have set, and each member gets the rest of the discounted money. It gets divided into them. Here two members are there, that's why it's got divided. So we have submitted it. Let's check on the Explorer, and once we check it on the Explorer, so as you can see here, app call was done, then payment was done to the winner, and the discounted money gets divided into all the other members of the chit fund. This happens for 10 months and the DAO completes. This was all about the platform. Once the transaction for the first month gets completed, it updates to the second month. And now let me show you where this happens, this everything. So there's chitfund algo.ts in the contracts folder, and through this mostly everything happens. So there's a create application, and then there's a add member, remove member, start set, contribute, submit bid, all done in algo.ts, and select winner and distribute, and it has logics in it, clear bids. These are small get current month, get chit, status, pause chit, resume chit. These are all the the functions that are there, and you need to set this majorly these things in the .env. Let me show you the algod server, the indexer server, app ID, and the manager mnemonic. This complete platform is ready for testing, and I have deployed it on Vercel, and you can see it. And this is deployed on ngrok. So please contact me if the platform is not working, because my laptop may be shut down. Thank you.